comparatives, it is Hevberdar, and superlative. Okay, I will say superlative later. Hevberdar, which means Hevberdar. Comparatives Hevberdar. There is a rule. The rule says put tir end of the word and use j between words. You compare, and if the last letter is T, then drop the T. It says, let's see in the exercise, Kurder. So this is our word. When you want to make when you make comparative, you should simply put tir in the end, and if it already has T, you drop T. So it became Kurder. Khwashter, khwashter, durter, gringter, tangter, bedavter, zahmetter, bichukter, kharabter, darangter, rahatter, erzanter, qalavter, balandter, juanter, zravter, drejter. Rule two ways. So superlatives and superlatives would mean, in the dictionary it says serkeftî. In the dictionary it is serkeftî. Two ways to use superlative: hari before noun. You can use hari before noun or trin end of the adjective. That's it. Okay, so Kurtrin, as you see in here, Kurt means short, and Kurtrin, if you put trin end of the word, then it became the shortest. But also, if you simply can put hari in front of this, it will become shortest. This is the rule. Khwashterin hari khwash, khwashterin hari khwash, durterin hari dur, gringterin hari gring, tangterin hari tang, badavterin hari badav, zahmetterin hari zahmet, bichukterin hari bichuk, kharabterin hari kharab, darangterin hari darang, rahatterin hari rahat, erzanterin hari erzan, qalavterin hari qalav, balandterin hari baland. So this is Jawan, hari Jawanterin hari Jawan, and this is thin. I mean zrav. Okay, hari zrav. This is zrav also. Hari zrav. So zravterin hari zrav. It is problem of our documentation. Drejterin hari drej, tall. And that's it. Thank you so much to watch.